Hello there, cyber sleuths and Snapchat enthusiasts. If you find the content shared here enlightening, don't hesitate to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's unravel the mystery of Snapchat hacking and recovery. The first thing to understand is how a Snapchat account can be compromised. There are a few common methods that hackers use. One of the most prevalent is phishing. This is when a hacker creates a fake login page that resembles Snapchat's. If you enter your details into this page, they go straight to the hacker. Another common method is spy apps. These are malicious applications that, once installed on your device, can record your keystrokes and send them to the hacker. Be wary of any app that asks for too many permissions, especially if it's not from a trusted source. Lastly, hackers can use brute force attacks. This is essentially a trial and error method where the hacker tries many different possible passwords until they find the right one. Now let's move on to the recovery process. If you suspect that your Snapchat account has been hacked, the first thing to do is to try to log in. If you can log in, change your password immediately. If you can't log in, you'll need to reset your password. To reset your password, go to the Snapchat login page and click on Forgot Your Password. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address or phone number associated with your account. Snapchat will send you a link to reset your password. However, if you find that your email address or phone number has been changed, you'll need to contact Snapchat support. They'll ask you some questions to verify your identity and then help you regain access to your account. Now, to protect your Snapchat account from being hacked, there are a few steps you should take. Firstly, use a strong, unique password that isn't easily guessable. Secondly, be careful about where you log into your Snapchat account. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks and never enter your details into a site that you don't trust. Lastly, be cautious about which apps you install on your device. To sum up, Snapchat accounts can be hacked through phishing, spy apps, and brute force attacks. If your account is hacked, you can recover it by resetting your password or contacting Snapchat support. To prevent hacking, use a strong password, be careful where you log in, and be cautious about app installations. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you need professional assistance, check the video description or pinned comments. Until next time, stay safe and keep snapping.